Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Today's lesson is about solving system of linear equation using the substitution method, one of the easiest ways to get started with two variable equations. So let's get started with our first question. Solve this system of linear equation 2x plus y equals 7 and 4x minus 2y equals 2. Let's number the equation as equation 1 and equation 2. My first step in this method is to get the value of either x or y from either of these equations. Now, whose value should I find out, x or y? The key is look at the coefficients. If the coefficient of x or y is 1, then that variable is easy to solve. The value of that variable is easy to find out. So, if you look at the coefficients, x has 2, y coefficient is 1. So I would start this y. So from equation 1, which was 2x plus y equals 7, I would take out the value of y as 7. This plus 2x when shifted to that side would become minus 2x. Now this is my expression or the value of y from the first equation. My first step is done. My second step is put this value of y in equation number 2. I got it from equation 1. So now I will put it in equation 2. My equation 2 is 4x minus 2y equals 2. So 4x minus 2 in place of y, I will put this 7 minus 2x equals the right side is 2. Now, what is this? It's nothing but a linear equation in the variable x. This is just a basic algebra. Okay. So now it is 4x minus 2 times 7, 14, minus plus 2 times 2x, 4x equals 2. 4x plus 4x gives me 8x equals 2. This minus 14 will shift to that side with the sign plus 14. So 8x equals 2 plus 14, 16. Divide by 8 on both the sides and my value of x comes out to be 16 divided by 8, 2. So my second step is also done. Now, I have got the value of x. How to get the value of y? Put this x is equal to 2 in either of these equations, the original equations, or you can put this in this expression for y as well. My preferred method is always to put in this expression of y. It's already solved, yes? So, put this x is equal to 2 in y equals 7 minus 2x. So, it gives me 7 minus x value is 2. So, 2 times 2. 7 minus 4 and y comes out to be 3. So x equals 2 and y equals 3 is the solution of this system of equations. When I say solution, it means the values of x and y when put back in these two equations will satisfy these equations. It means the left side will come out to be equal to right side. So this is called substitution method. This is how this method works. It's pretty simple. Once you isolate the value of one variable at this step, either x or y, after that, the rest is just basic algebra and you are done with getting the values of both of x and y. Let's do second question. So, my system of equations in this question is minus 4x plus 5y equals minus 22. Name it as first equation. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Name it as second equation. I explained in the first question that look at the coefficient of x and y. Wherever it is 1, that variable is easy to start with. But if you look here, neither x nor y has the coefficient 1. They are like minus 4, 5, 2 and minus 3. So now just it's your wish. You want to get the value of x or y and from which equation doesn't matter. Like it's just the calculations. So if I take this time this second equation 2x minus 3y equals 12 and I want to find the value of this 2x. So I will put this 2x here equals 12. This minus will go there with the sign plus. So plus 3y. And now This 2 and x are being multiplied. So when this 2 will be shifted on that side, it will go with the sign of division. So my value of x is coming out to be 12 plus 3y divided by 2. This is my expression for x. So I have isolated the variable x from this second equation. My first part is done. Now, what is my next part? I will put this value of x in equation number 1. So, let's do that. So, it is minus 4x plus 5y equals minus 22. And now minus x will be 12 plus 3y divided by 2, and then this plus 5y equals minus 22. Just a linear equation in the variable y, and now we will solve for y. Now I can see that I can divide this 4 with 2. So 2 divided by 2, 1, and minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. So what do I get? I get minus 2 outside. Inside the bracket, I got 12 plus 3y, and then I have this 5y equals minus 22. Use distributive property. Minus 2 times 12 is minus 24. Minus 2 times plus 3y is minus 6y. This plus 5y as it is equals minus 22. Minus 6y plus 5y will give me minus 1y or just minus y. Like we do not write 1 in algebra. So it's equal to minus 22. This minus 24 when shifted on that side will become plus 24. So minus y equals minus 22 plus 24 will give me 2. This is the value of minus y. I want the value of y. So y is equal to minus 2. Like you can just multiply with minus 1 on both the sides. So y comes out to be minus 2. And now how to get the value of x? Put y as minus 2 in this expression. So x equals 12 plus 3y divided by 2 equals 12 plus y is minus 2 divided by 2 equals 12. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. So 12 minus 6 divided by 2. 12 minus 6 is 6 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So x3 and y equals minus 2 is the solution for this system of equations. My next question. 4x minus 3y equals 11, 6x minus 5y equals 7. Let's number them as equation 1 and equation 2. From which equation you want to find the value of which variable, it totally depends on you. The calculations, the answer would come out to be same. So let's do this one. 4x minus 3y equals 11. So 4x equals 11 plus 3y. I would say try to avoid those variables which have minus sign in front of them, because then minus sign changes all other signs and sometimes there are the chances of mistakes. Okay. So now this 4 and x are being multiplied. So x becomes 11 plus 3y divided by 4. This is my expression for x. Now my next step, put this expression or the value of x in which equation? Second. I solve first one to get x, and now I will put this x in equation number 2. So I get 6 times, in place of x I would put 11 plus 3y divided by 4 minus 5y equals 7. Now I have this 4 in the denominator. How to get rid of this 4? Whenever you have a 4 or any other number in the denominator, we take the least common multiple or we take LCM. And the easiest way is, like wherever you have that denominator, just write the numerator as it is and multiply this 4 with all other terms. So it will be 4 times 5, 20y equals 4 times 7, 28. Basically, I am multiplying everything with 4. Okay. And now when I am multiplying this term with 4, this 4 and 4 will cancel. So I have got rid of that denominator. 4 times 5, 20, and 4 times 7 is 28. Okay, so 6 times 11 is 66 plus 6 times 3 is 18y minus 20y equals 28. 66 will go on that side. Okay, 18y minus 20y is minus 2y. equals 28 minus 66. So minus 2y is equal to minus 38. And divide by minus 2 on both the sides. So value of y would come out to be 19. Put this y is equal to 19 in this expression to get the value of x. So x is 11 plus 3y divided by 4 equals 11 plus 3 times 19 divided by 4. It equals 11 plus 19 times 3 is 57. 50 divided by 4. 11 plus 57 is 68 and 68 divided by 4 is 70. That's x. So x 17 and y 19 is the solution for this system of equations. My last question would be the one in which x and y would have the fractional coefficients, not the whole numbers or not the integers. They will be fractional, and let's see how to solve it. The procedure remains the same. It's just that we have to deal with the fractions part, okay? So let's name them as 1 and this is equation number 2. So from second equation, I would get the value of this y this time. Okay, you want to get the value of x? Go ahead. Like the answer would definitely come out to be the same. So from this equation, 1/6 y equals half, and this 1/3 x will go there with the sign of minus because it's plus over there. Now this 6 is being divided. Y is being divided by 6. It's in the denominator. So when it will be shifted on that side, it will get multiplied with all these terms. So my y would come out to be 6 half minus 1/3 x. Y equals multiply 6 with both these terms using distributive property. So 6 over 2 minus 6 over 3x. So y comes out to be 3 minus 6 divided by 3 is 2x. This is my y. Now put this y in equation number 1. So I get half x minus 1/4. In place of y, I would put 3 minus 2x equals half. All right, so, okay, this is 5/4. I was thinking there is a mistake because we are putting in this one. So half x minus 1. Okay, this is 5/4. All right, now 2, 4, 4. What is the least common multiple? Its LCM is 4. So multiply all the terms with 4. Let's see what do we get. When you will multiply this, it becomes 4 over 2 and 4 over 2 is 2. So it becomes 2x minus 4 over 4 gone. So you are left with just this bracket and this 4 over 4 gone and you are left with 5. So basically we are taking the LCM. Now just solve this equation. 2x minus 3 plus 2x equals 5. When there is minus outside, all the inside terms get their signs changed. 2x plus 2x is 4x equals 5 plus 3. 4x equals 8. Divide by 4 and x would come out to be 2. Put this x is equal to 2 in this expression of y. So y equals 3 minus 2x equals 3 minus 2 times 2 equals 3 minus 4 equals minus 1. So x equals 2 and y equals minus 1 is the solution for this system of linear equation. What's next? Elimination method. Elimination method is another method to solve the system of linear equations. So in my next video, I will be taking elimination method and I'll be comparing both substitution and elimination method. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more lessons like this one. See you in the next one. Keep learning, keep simplifying. Thank you. Bye-bye.